So, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to take it easy. It's going to start raining soon, like a lot. So I want to get to a cafe before that. I don't have any plans for today. It's going to be a relaxed day. I'm just going to be walking around the city doing my stuff. Maybe going to a cafe to read something, then have lunch. I might need to get some souvenirs, but we'll see. But the most important thing is being under the roof before it starts raining. So yeah, it's starting. There's a cafe that's not a Starbucks right around the corner. And I think they're also kind of a restaurant, so I'll stay there for a while. Oh, they already have piso. I had to move, there was way too many people. I didn't want to be the guy that's comfortably sitting while other people is looking for a table. I guess that's one of the perks of going to a Starbucks. You buy something, you go there, and then you can stay the whole day if you want. So yeah, it's still raining. I should rain more. So yeah, despite the shitty weather, no one's staying home today. So I think it's going to be a short vlog today. I really don't know what else to do. I'm wet and cold. And yeah, I thought about the museum, but they are closing in about an hour. And I already checked, it's going to rain the whole day. So yeah, I think I'll buy some snacks and something to eat at night. And yeah, I'll go home to watch a movie. Netflix and chill sounds like a good plan. I like visiting these travel stores, you don't know what you can find. Maybe I can find something useful for my trips. Looking at all the things that they sell, I can say that I'm pretty well equipped. To use or not to use packing cubes? That is a question. Many people say that they are really convenient, but I'm still doubtful. Yeah, I'll come back some more time. Okay, now the vlog is over.